Moving on to the beard, we're going to chop it down to a 3 guard all the way closed. Before we line up the beard, we're going to go ahead and line up his hairline just so I could get a good reference line, especially near the C cups. We're starting off in the middle and working our way to the sides, especially when they're light in the middle. I always like starting off in the middle. It gives me a good reference point. When I line up my C cups, I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top, and I'm always using the edge of the trimmers. You always want to make sure to go as slow as possible and make sure the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then you won't line them up properly and the hair is going to shift. Always try your best to keep the corners natural, especially the vertical bars. You don't want to push that too in and make it too pointy. You also don't want to press too hard because the trimmers could be very hot and it could cut them. When lining up the mustache, you want to make sure you're very delicate because you could bite them with the teeth of the trimmer. Now we're moving on to fading their sideburns, and I'm using my no guard all the way open and the lever to blend out the initial guideline. Then I'm moving on to my 1 guard all the way open and then my 1.5 guard all the way open. Now that we're done with the beard, we're going to move on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades, and we're going to make them as crispy as possible. But before we do that, we're going to apply some shave gel and use our hot towel to make the follicles as soft as possible and make the blade glide as easy as it can. When using your hot towels, you want to make sure it's not too hot because you can burn them. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you made it this far into the video, leave a comment down below of my subscriber count. This is just to make sure you guys are paying attention. And I'm 100% gonna reply to it.